Hello students, today we will discuss parallel plate capacitor. A capacitor is a device which is used to store charge. A parallel plate capacitor consists of two parallel plates, each of area A, carrying opposite charges and separated by a distance d. Let capital Q is the charge accumulated on the plates of capacitor when it is raised by a potential of V volts. Therefore, the capacitance of the capacitor is given by C is equal to Q upon V. Hence, capacitance of a capacitor is the magnitude of charge accumulated on the plates of the capacitor when it is raised by 1 volt. Thus, higher is the capacitance of a capacitor, higher is the charge accumulated on its plate when it is raised by a potential of 1 volt. Let sigma is the surface charge density of the capacitor plates. It means sigma is the magnitude of charge present on the unit area of the capacitor plates. Therefore, sigma can be written as total charge on the capacitor plates Q divided by area of the plates A, or total charge on capacitor plates Q becomes sigma into A. So, substituting the value of Q in the above equation, we get the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor as C is equal to sigma A upon the potential difference between the capacitor plates can be written as electric field intensity between the capacitor plates into distance between the plates. The electric field intensity, which is directed from positively charged plate towards negatively charged plate in the space between the capacitor plates, is given by E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. So, substituting the value of E in this equation, we get capacitance of parallel plate capacitor as C is equal to sigma A into epsilon naught upon sigma D. So sigma sigma cancel and we get the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor as epsilon naught A upon D. If the space between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor is completely filled with a dielectric medium of permittivity epsilon, then the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor can be written as C dash equal to epsilon A upon D. This can be further written as epsilon naught epsilon R A upon D, where epsilon R is called as relative permittivity or the dielectric constant of the medium. So we can represent the dielectric constant with letter K. So it can be written as K epsilon naught A upon D. Hence the capacitance has increased to K times of the capacitance of the capacitor which have free space between the plates. Thus we conclude that when a parallel plate capacitor is filled with a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K, the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor increases to K times. Hence, for the same potential difference which was applied when the space between the capacitor plates was filled with vacuum, the charge accumulated on the capacitor plates will be K times. In the case when the space between the capacitor plate is filled with a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K. Or we can say higher is the capacitance of a capacitor, higher is its tendency to store charge. On the other hand, the electric field intensity between the capacitor plates when it is filled with a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K reduces to 1 upon K times of its value in the case of free space. Similarly, the potential difference between the capacitor plates also reduces to 1 upon K times when the capacitor is filled with a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K as compared to free space in between the capacitor plates.